Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the mutation machine on plants versus brainrots. You can mutate plants or brainrots. I'll be mutating brainrots on this one. Basically, you will need two of the same brainrots with two different mutations. You'll need EXP to power it up, so just use a flask or a star or a big bottle, whichever one you have. It's 300 XPs to power per mutation. So I'm going to mutate two of the 6/7s here, so the frozen one and the upside down one. So I'm just going to place the brainrot here, and I'm just going to place the other one here. So it's going to have, I think, upside down frozen or frozen upside down mutation. I'm just going to press mix. It's going to take 10 minutes. Sometimes it takes longer depending on the brainrot you have. So I will be right back with the finished results. And here is the final product of the mutation. It says frozen upside down, and you earn more, I guess, when it's mutated this way. Also, if you want, you are going to want to use the mutation machine when there is the merge madness active. Mutation mania, it says fuse machine, merge machine, and plant extractor all have 2 times the speed. So here I'm just going to mutate one more. This one and the neon one, I think I'm going to mutate. Again, make sure it's the same brainrot but just different mutations. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!